Yo, you can't see me because my OBS forgot about my camera. So here we go. And no. Oh, you know what? I know why. Watch this. My bad. Whoop. I had the camera cover on. I was like, what the heck? All right, so I am just doing a little bit of work. We've got about an hour before the working day is done for me. And so, yeah, I just have a couple of things to do in the email related stuff, but I already went through like the typical email stuff. So this is like GitHub email stuff. And so, yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on. I do want to try and get some more experimentation with the tests and stuff going. So that is what I'm going to be working on. Let me get my screen shared. I'm in the forest. And actually, I also like to have the YouTube up so that if you have comments, you can ask them. Whoops, I want to keep this tab around. And yeah, then we can get started. Okay. Oh, and let's get flowing. Bum-ba-dum. So I use Flow. Somebody's going to ask during the stream, or it's not called Flow, it's called Centered. Yeah, somebody's going to ask anyway, but you know, it is what it is.
Let's start.
So, yeah, good. And I am finished with email.
Take a few deep breaths and focus your mind. Then keep flowing.
All right, I'm ready to go. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with this one because it was a comment on a closed PR. A lot easier to lose track of that. Okay. Okay. So what happened here is I merged an example that uses .env config. I'm not a big fan of doing things that way, and but I was like, yeah, it's not a big deal. But I agree with Jacob and Matisha. Probably saying that wrong, sorry. But yeah, we probably shouldn't be using this for reasons described here. So I'm gonna just update this. Nope, wrong thing, remix. Mohammed asks, what do you think about the Notion-centered integration? I haven't actually tried that integration. I didn't know that was, I don't see Notion in the integrations here. So, I saw somebody was tweeting about that you could like copy paste from Notion or something. I don't know. I don't use Notion, so yeah, and that copy paste doesn't really seem like an integration, just like a happy accident. But yeah, I don't use Notion, so sorry. I just got a message from somebody. Let me check this really quick. I picked up my replacement card today. That's the exciting thing for me today. So, yeah, something is messed up. I need to get this figured out first. So remix run remix jokes. Yeah, this repo. Let me go to the fly toml. Maybe there's something messed up here. Yeah, okay, that might have something to do with it. And Docker file. That also might be different, so we'll see. I just want to deploy an updated version of the app. Okay, and what did we delete here? Just an extra line. Okay, cool. We added Node env production, I guess. Okay, so let's try and deploy that again. And while that's going, I believe on the main branch, so I'll just go ahead and get started with the Cloudinary upload thing here. And I think it was in utils. We're doing .env config. We're not going to do that anymore. Instead, we're going to actually, let's look at the official docs. What do we say for env? Yeah. We should have I'm going to add a linear. Actually, you know what? Let's do that as a GitHub. .env.
You're halfway through.
Halfway through what? Reviewing the arc stack. Whoops, I need to update my task that I'm working on right now. I'm actually working on GitHub triage. There we go. I lost track of what I'm doing. Okay. Support for .env files. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna put this in linear so we don't lose track of it because I really want this. Support the files in dev. They're quite helpful, and this is not the greatest way to support things. Doesn't work. Nope, I wanted that. Has issues on Windows sometimes. Okay, cool. We're gonna put the label. Oh, and actually, let's copy this. Put that in linear also. And the label is code in remix. Let's put this in the next cycle. There we go. Yeah, hopefully somebody picks it up, I guess. That would be good. All right, but as it is, this is the way we do this. So let's go to package.json here. And actually, by now, rats. I don't know what is messed up here. Was there really... I didn't link to that. Oh, it's down. Well, that's unfortunate. Wait, what's going on here? Oh, yeah, because it's down. That makes sense. Okay. Let's figure out why it's down, I guess. Fly logs. Migrate found failed migrations in the target database. New migrations will not be applied. Okay. Part of me just wants to deploy a brand new thing. And actually, you know what? I should deploy a brand new thing to a different account. Yeah, to the Remix account. Yeah, that's what we'll do. And then we'll just update DNS. That's what we'll do. So some of this I won't be able to show you, which is unfortunate. I'm sorry. Yeah, so we're gonna need a terminal window over here. Fly plugin. No fly. Whoops. Fly off. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just move this over here really quick. Okay, sweet. So now, let's just change this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go to my account, sign out here. We'll sign into my old one, or to my personal one, and I'm gonna go to. Oh, hold it. Yeah, Remix Jokes. There it is. And we're gonna just delete it. Settings, delete. Yes, delete it. Okay, cool. And then let's try this now. Fly deploy. Cannot resolve app. Well, let's just see what happens if I don't do remote only, I guess. Oh, you know what? I think I know. Fly create. Remix. Oops. Or, you know what? Fly init. Okay. Here, how do I tell people how to deploy this thing? Okay, one second. My kids have forgotten that I am working. So I told Centered to send me a bunch of stickers because I like distributing stickers. And I like Centered, and they sent me just this huge box, so many stickers. But it does have a discount code on it, and if you would like a discount code, you can go to kentcdodds.com/uses, and the discount code is right there. Okay, this is good. So it's just gonna sit here. There we go. Would you like to copy its configuration to the new app? Yes. Yeah, Remix Jokes. No, this is not the organization that I want. Hold on a second. Did it create that app for me already? Why is it taking forever to refresh? Okay. No, it looks like it did not. Oh, Builder. That's what that is. Okay, let's see. Fly auth, who am I? Yeah, okay. I think if I open a new thing, maybe. Huh, that's weird. Let me sign out of this. Sign in. Fly auth log out. Auth log in. And actually, I probably should do this in a different window. It might show like a token or something. Okay, great. So, who am I? Good. All right, now fly launch. Remix jokes. And Dallas Fort Worth sounds good to me. Yes, I would like to deploy now. Sweet, and now we've got a builder. Nice, there is a builder. Good. Okay, good. Whoa. So hopefully this deploys okay, and then it's just a matter of setting the domain. And I can't remember. Fly custom domain. I've done this before, but yeah, I'll have to go to where I bought that domain, which is on my account, and it would be good to switch it over. I wonder if I can. Log in. Domains. Yeah, looks like we don't do domains in this account. But maybe we could. I don't know. Maybe I don't want to do this. Manage DNS. Wonder what it's doing. I don't know. Whoops. Sorry about that. I was trying to turn it down and I accidentally clicked on the line all the way over. Okay, well, I guess we'll just wait for that to do whatever it's doing. And in here, actually, we'll just stick that there, CD into the examples, Cloudinary or file upload, yeah. And go to package.json, and I think it was dev. Yeah. Yeah, and we should be good with that. Got rid of that. Git commit. Fix, or yeah, this is a docs examples. Do not call .env encode. Should have looked. Just wanted to make sure. Oh, I got those reversed. Head back one versus head.
You're now halfway through the allocated time.
Okay. Fixed. Agreed. Fixed. Okay. Whoops. Git add, git stash, git pull, git push, git stash, pop. There we go. Yeah, that works. Okay. So that's one thing. Nice. Let's see what the other thing in here was. What was this about? Oh, right. Oh, whoops. I meant to unsubscribe. And I can archive that. Okay, cool. We're all set there. This is still doing nothing. Huh, I don't, yeah, we'll give it a little more time to do what it's doing, I guess, if it's doing anything. I'll refresh my apps. I do not see any of those. Okay, well, I mean, while we're doing this, maybe I can transfer it, the domain, because I don't want to own it. Doesn't make sense for me to own it. Unlock. You currently have no domains available for transfer to Cloudflare.
There are now 10 minutes of allocated time remaining.
Transfer domain to Cloudflare. Okay. Currently have no domains available for transfer to Cloudflare. Okay, well, that's too hard. Never mind. We're gonna I'll hang on to it for who knows how long. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. Ah, come on. Fly version update. Let's just update. Okay, now fly. Deploy. Oh, hold it. I'm in the wrong directory. Is that the problem? I don't think I was in the wrong directory before. Maybe I was. That would be unfortunate. So it's doing all the Docker stuff. It's getting through that pretty relatively quickly, I suppose. Pushing Docker layers, I think, is what it's doing. Yeah. Let's see. I think all right. Fly mount persistent volume. Volumes. Oh, sweet. Nice alias. Create. Volume name. Yep, there it is. Data, I think. Okay, now let's try to fly deploy. Remote only. Try that. Here we go. Let the remote builder do all the work. Creating release. That's good news. All right. V0 being deployed. Good news also.
Five minutes left.
5 minutes left on GitHub Triage. Yeah, I think I can. Actually, no, probably not. Probably gonna need more time. But how much time do I want to spend on this? Because I can do this tomorrow too. So, what time is it now? Almost 5. I'm never gonna be able to get this done, and it's broken. Let's do another 15 minutes. Session secret must be. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's part of the jokes tutorial. So, and then your secret here. Well, check this out. 1Password, generate password. Yeah, they've got a password generator in here. I'm gonna do it over here though, so y'all don't see it, because that would not be wise. Copy that. And then paste it right there. Get rid of it in my history. Okay, so it is deploying right now. Yeah, that's kind of handy that we had that in place, but that means that the app started, so that's good. Sweet, deploy successful. So now we refresh over here. Yep, oh, it was right there, remix jokes. Nice. Boom, there it is, read jokes, add your own, log in. I'm gonna register Cody with not the password Twix Rocks, because I don't want people to be able to log in as this person. So we're gonna just use a different password. How about, nope. And your hilarious joke, milk. There it is. Boom, there's your hilarious joke. Awesome. So good. I don't know why that query string stuck around. It probably shouldn't have. Okay, cool. So then if I log out and I go to jokes, boom, nothing. Log in, Cody. There it is. All right. And we can delete it. Boom. So good. All right. So now we just need to do the old domain switcheroo. It is okay, and I've just got to copy that. Sorry, I'm just editing domain settings. Delete that, save that. And save DNS settings. Okay, check again. Yeah, shoot. It's not that simple, is it? Add a DNS entry to connect visitors to your Fly application, and it's just like remixjokes.ll, and it's got an arrow pointing to remixjokes.fly.dev. Like that. I mean, maybe that is sufficient. I think I need an IPv4 address. Okay, Fly, help. IP something? IPs. Okay. List. There we go. I think that's what I need.
There are now 10 minutes of allocated time remaining.
Holy smokes. My kids keep on interrupting, and that is not what they are supposed to do. But maybe it's really important. It doesn't seem important, because otherwise they'd be like yelling and stuff. So 1 second. Let me just go check. Okay, so they put up hearts all over my door. Taped a bunch of hearts on my door that said "I love you" and everything. And they did that because, well, they love me, but also because one of our neighbors did that to us, to our door. So that was nice of them. Okay, remix jokes.lol. Boom, it's back, and better than ever, because now I have this note that says, hey, the deployed version is a little different. So good news, that's awesome. Boy, that took longer than I wanted it to, but we should be good now. I'm gonna leave that change. Let's see. We're not gonna keep this change though. Should we? Maybe we should. Yeah. In this, in the, yeah, official deployed version of the app, we don't want unmoderated content, to deploy a site with moderated content. So we only show users their own jokes. There we go. And we do the same thing over here. Cool, and so that's why it's different. Let's just make sure we're all set. Yeah, let's fix that really quick. I need to figure out which ESLint plugin it is that will auto fix this and just add it to our repo. Okay. No new line at the end of the file. Well, I will add a new line. Okay. Oh, flytoml. This one got changed? Yeah, that is not what I wanted. Yeah, I was at the wrong directory. Ha. Okay, there we go. Let's just make sure again. Docs, examples, update, jokes, app. Okay, great. Now, that is everything that I'm doing for GitHub Triage today. But before I say it's finished, I do have something in Linear that I need to add to Centered because it's the next thing I want to do. And it is server build target docs. Move to session. I'm going to put that up next.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's when I have my break too.
May the flow be with you. Always.
All right. So what I'm doing now is open in Linear. I need this. Why is it not letting me select that? There we go. Oh, you know what? One other thing I should do. This is remix jokes. So great, it's funny. Production deploy here. Whoop. Remix jokes, LOL. Tutorial here. Docs, examples, add a link to remix jokes stuff. Oh, great. I already had a link. Oh well. That's fine. Yeah, it's no big deal. Okay, so sorry, just got another distraction that will be taken care of momentarily. Okay, so my objective is to basically take this and put it into our docs for our configuration stuff. So I think I'm probably going to want to look at how it looks on the docs page, but we'll see how far we can get. So docs, not API. I guess it is API. It's our convention. Is that where we put it? Remix config. Okay. We do have a server build target. server build target. No. Target. Okay, come on. This is, yeah, conventions, API, conventions, server build target. It's right here. Yeah, I guess we do need some more. There's not much here. So,
Your break is coming up. Begin to come out of flow.
yeah, I'm just gonna copy this with Markdown. I don't think we need that whole table. Yeah, those are like implementation details. If a server build target is set to anything besides
Take a break.
yeah. Yeah, I gotta write this down some more, or update that a little bit. But I am gonna take a break. So, yeah, just a short one probably, but because I don't have much time left. But I'll be back in just a sec. All right, yeah, sorry, I went to the wrong screen. Told you it'd be a short break. I want to just wrap things up. So,
Welcome back to flow.
thank you, Noah. All right. I'm not sure. Let's see. So, you know what? I don't think we need. No, I don't think we need any more. I think we're good. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. Yeah, we don't need it. But I am going to add an example for this. So, what is this? For example, let's the remark or unified ecosystem is all ESM only. So here's how you would be able to consume those packages without in a CJS app without having to use dynamic imports. Let's see. Let's find name, remix config, JS, lines, and server dependencies to bundle. And let's just use my app as an example. Rehype star. Pretty sure this will work. Probably would be better to actually test it out for realsies. Yeah, okay, so this does have that feature. Rehype. Yeah. Okay, so then we go to our build index rehype. Okay, so that does not look like it's bundled. So maybe it's no. Here, let's just do one at, just to make sure that it works. So rehype document, that shows up, right? Okay. So if we say rehype document in the build, rehype document, there it is. Okay, so it is bundled. All right, so then just in case I don't know my globs. Okay. Let me make sure I get this right. So, if we're looking for to bundle, it's going to be to bundle. Yeah, okay. There we go. We got our patterns. If type of pattern is string, then the path is equal to pattern or pattern.test path. Oh, okay. This is hold on a second. Oh, right. That's my problem. I need to provide a regex. So these are of regex patterns. Okay, so for me then, it's a good thing I did this. Dot star. That should do it. Oh, right. It literally is a regex, not a string. Here we go. Boom. All right. Rehype all these. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So that I'm glad that I did that. So rehype dot star. And I know I didn't do that, but that the dash is probably important. I guess not. Okay. And what other packages are we part of this? Hast. It's just the stuff that you're using. So yeah, then we've got remark, and unified, and yeah, etc., etc., etc. Okay, cool. Let's also say we are using a oh, I just noticed a bunch of people trying to help in the chat and I was not paying attention. Somebody is asking how my recovery is going. All right, here's a content warning for you. I'm going to show you the scar. Here, I'll switch it.
I sense a
it's not like a
disturbance
big
in the
deal,
force.
but if you don't like seeing crazy stuff, then feel free to look away. But here's what it looks like. It is the markings. That's like all from their when they did their surgery, but like it goes all the way to the end of my shoulder there, and that is the plate right there. Yeah, where like it's all marked up. So like it doesn't feel great, but the bandage is off, and so that's a plus. Recovery is coming, even though, yeah, it's slower than I want it to be. But yeah, okay. Too easy to please me is asking. I need to find out what your actual name is so I know how to refer to you. Which ZSH prompt are you using? It's my own, one of my own making. You can just go to github.files. My GitHub, all of my .files are in there. Kent's .dod files. Yeah, okay.
You're halfway through.
Yeah, thank you, Raphael. Sweet. Hello, Kevin. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
I believe YouTube is a distraction.
Well,
Can
right
it
now
wait?
it sort of is, but I'm just talking to my friends. Yes, thank you, Kamal. You totally knew that it was supposed to be rehab. Oh, and good idea on that. Okay, so what's another... we're using one of Syndra's Slugify. I think that's one of Syndra's things. And nope, it is not. Syndrasaurus Slugify. I think it might just be at Syndrasaurus. Yeah, there we go. I think I may actually be using this myself. Okay, we're using, which is ESM only as well. Here's how you would be able to consume those packages. What to do. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. I'm gonna do... Just gonna grab this. There we go. Okay, cool. Docs, conventions, improve docs, or add example for, okay, good. Oh, did I say already? I can't remember if I said. I got my car.
There are now 10 minutes of allocated
my replacement
time
car
remaining.
today, and silver lining, it was with the exception of full self-driving, which was quite a bit more expensive than when I bought my first car. Other than that, it was less expensive, has like 80 miles more of range than my last one, and the trunk is a powered lift gate, so that's awesome. So there you go, silver lining. Wasn't all bad, but most of it was. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of all this. We don't need that. We're good with this. And it is 5:22. I really shouldn't get into anything else. Gonna check that off.
Nice work.
And yeah, I think I should be done. So thanks everybody for hanging out, watching me do a little bit of triage. Oh, you know what? I might have a little bit of time for just a couple last things for triage. Because I noticed my link was sending me to the wrong thing, and so I wasn't getting notified, or I didn't see everything else. So we've got Google Analytics example. Yeah, this needs to be updated. This looks great. Do you think you could, man. Thanks for this. Handle submit, huh? Is the prevent default necessary here? I actually don't know. Let's find out. I think that components in React. Yeah, there it is. Form. Okay, form impl. Yeah, so if you provide a submit, yeah, okay, so that we will submit it for you. The prevent default, here, and actually let's comment all the way across everything. The prevent default is unnecessary here because we will handle submitting, or we will call your submit handler, your on submit handler for you, and you can just add whatever else you'd like here. Care to double check this works as you expect? Okay, start review. I don't think the dashboard page is necessary. Is this page necessary? Let's try to keep the example as minimal as possible and not have extra files that don't contribute to the learning, please. Profile, yeah, same for this page as the dashboard. Is this necessary? Oh, I see. It is kind of because we want the location path name thing. Okay, yep, that's fine. Delete. Uh-oh. Where's my focus? What did I just do? So I'm trying to focus on one of those. Oh, there it is. Okay. Could you, you update this README to match the other examples? Please follow the template. Template README. Yeah, we'll say thanks right here. Thanks for this. Some good learnings here. Mind following, or just have a few comments and ideas. Okay. And sorry that took so long. I should say that. Also, sorry it took so long to get back to you on this. Thanks for taking the time. Okay, multiple forms, one route. We actually have one of these. And he may have made his first, so that's my bad. Yeah, we've already got one now, so. Thanks for taking the time on this. I'm sorry I didn't see it earlier, but we do have a multiple forms example, one route example. If you'd like to improve it in any way, please do. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I kind of feel bad about those. React Spring, GDPR cookie consent. Oh, man. All right. Girish, you're awesome. Looks good to me. Thanks. Let me double check. Pretty sure this is fine. Yeah. I'm getting a knock on my door. It is time for me to go. This is not a feature. This is docs. Example. Add React Spring example. Okay. And there we go. Let's just look at this really quick, see if it's, I'm already over time. It's probably not really quick. Okay, we'll have to look at that later. Thanks everybody, this was fun. We will see you all in the future. Oh, and I was not looking at the arc stack. Whoops. So, ending session now. Goodbye, Flo. And thanks everybody for watching. We will